Hi guys, got another lockpicking video for you. I've got a Draper Expert 46 millimeter. It is spring loaded on the shackle, which is threw me a bit because these Drapers don't normally come with spring loaded shackles. Well, not ones I've picked anyway. So it's a bit of a change and a bit of a challenge on the pick. With this one, I'll show you the bitting for it. It's 6-pinner, contains again serrated pins and spool pins. Let's give it a go at picking it. Have to excuse the state of my fingers, a bit black. I've just been burying the missus in the garden. She's been doing my head in, so not really. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Peterson gem as usual on these serrated locks. I'll just see if I can zoom in a bit. So a bit more tension than normal right at the back of the lock. Let's try and get that. Start at the back, pulling out. I think I'll hit pin 5 because that does turn slightly. It'll come to a stop. Pin 3. Can't get in because of pin 4, so I'll set that. Pin 5, click. Pin 6. It's going into a full set there. Pin 4 is already giving me obstruction, so I'm going to try and set that. There you go. Pin 2. Pin 2 again, got into a false deep set, counter rotation on 3, deeper false set. So I've probably done all the serrated pins now, just trying to, that's pin 4, counter rotation. Let me open. Cheers guys.